Hello dear friends, in this video we are dealing with the overview of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is a multi-enzyme complex oxidizes the pyruvate to form acetyl-CoA and carbon dioxide. The pyruvate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidative decarboxylation since the reaction involves both an oxidation and a loss of carbon dioxide. The pyruvate dehydrogenase complex consists of three enzymes. First is pyruvate dehydrogenase itself. Second enzyme is dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, and third one is dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase. The 5 coenzymes required by this complex. First enzyme require thymine pyrophosphate. Enzyme 2 needs lipoamide and coenzyme A, while third enzyme show its activity in presence of FAD and NAD. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.